This is actually Kim's look we did in Paris. So we did this really long braid. Braids are really in fashion right now.
That's like 5 feet of hair.
5 feet of hair. They're longer than ever. And I guess the braid has become the new ponytail right now.
Huh.
There's a lot of these really tight braids. Let's bring her out and have a look.
All right, let's take a look at Nikita. Where's your braid? Spin it around, baby. I want to see the braid.
There she is.
Oh, see, now that's a little more believable.
The key to this is it's not really necessarily about the braid. It's actually about the accessory. So I'm going to spin you around so you guys can see.
Nikita, that's insane. Have you ever done anything like this?
I have never done anything like this, no.
And do you have long hair? Like, how much of that is yours?
I would say it's pretty medium.
It's pretty, like, down here.
Yeah. So it's long. I mean, guys, look.
So
it's not...
this is part extension.
Yeah. So we actually, in the prep, so you'll see in the
in the B-roll,
what we did in the B-roll, we added. I mean, the key part to this is actually getting a sleek, low ponytail, and then
Oh, her hair is long to be.
It is long,
yeah,
it's long, and it's also very thick. I added a ponytail piece just for you guys so you can see it in a little bit more drama. You don't have to use a ponytail piece, though. The idea is that you get a simple, tight braid, nice and sleek and nice and small. The detail with this and what made it really different is actually the wrap. So we have this fabric.
The wrap is beautiful.
The wrap is really, this is just fabric, guys, and they come pre-sticky, so you just literally wrap it around, if you guys can see that on the camera.
It looks
and
like
sticks
Christmas ribbon, but it already has sticky on the back.
Well, I'm going to tell you a little secret. Kim actually did a really long ponytail. It was a nice ponytail. I was like, how can we make this, like, we're in Paris, how can we make this ponytail look a little bit more elevated? I actually just cut a piece of the fabric off. So she had like a belt, and it was long, and I said, do you need this much? And she said, no. So I cut it off, and we wrapped it around the base of the ponytail. And so many people spoke about it. They just really liked that extra detail. And it took it from being a ponytail to tying into the whole outfit. So, guys, add a few accessories to the ponytails or your braids. Makes a big difference.
Yeah. Accessories to your body.
Yeah,
why not put them in your hair?
But the best bit, I think, about it is the fact that it's inexpensive. So you can actually go from work to, to a nighttime and kind of makes it like you put a lot of effort in. Yeah.
Well, you need a friend, because you would have to be double jointed to put that little twisty-do on by yourself. Right?
Thank you so much.
Come on over, ladies. Chris, once again. I mean, look at his work. Just in a few minutes here at our show. Amazing.
And you.
So this is delightful. Everybody's going to want to go home and do a new do because Chris brought Dream Coat for everybody.